What is going on, YouTube? I know it's been a little while since I've been able to put out some content on this SC430. As you can see, I have it partially finished right now. It's been a pretty hectic past month, but I now have a new little helper. He came a month early, so it's been pretty hectic over here taking care of him and her. But finally have a little bit of time, so we're gonna get this thing totally finished. So let's get going. So I've got this thing totally sanded down. So the paint was in really bad shape. It was repainted before, so it had a ton of drip marks, stuff like that. But basically by the end of this video, this thing is gonna be looking brand new. So that's what I love about wraps. It's a really affordable way to change the color of a car. So as you can see, if you've been following the build, I did replace this fender. I just bought an unprimed one, but you know, that won't be a problem getting that wrapped. So here's just another quick little look. So here's a quick little glimpse of what it's gonna look like. It's insane. This blue with that red interior. So I think what I am gonna do is wrap the door jambs. So let me know what you guys think. Are you liking this color setup? The blue, silver wheels, red seats. I think it looks clean. All right, and what I'm gonna work on now is getting the taillights installed. I'm super excited to see how these ones look. I wanted to show this to you guys. So this is directly from Japan. Yeah, how cool is this? I have never seen Japanese newspaper before. All right, and here it is. So I got a set of these in pretty much brand new condition. Here they are. I think that's gonna look sweet. That blue with these new taillights. I'll do a little comparison. These and the original ones, but I think these are gonna make a huge difference in kind of modernizing the rear end a little bit. I think it's gonna look super sleek, having that white match the wheels over there. So I'm excited to see how these look. So here's a little comparison. Original with the updated. So since these are the LEDs, you can't just unplug the bulb housings and use the original ones. I'm gonna have to go through and find this connector, disconnect it back here behind the carpet lining, so that way I can swap out that harness and these bulbs. Okay, here we go. So I just got the harness out. Here's a look at the old one. So I didn't even have to remove the carpet lining all the way. I just popped a little bit of this out and then I could get access. What we need to check is make sure these are the same. So it looks like it's 4-prong on the old one. Yep, perfect. So it should just be a direct fit. All right, so I got the new harness put in, got the liner put back together, and let's see where this other part is. Right, should be this one right here, left-hand side. So even the tops are different. Here's a little comparison, if you can see a little bit between the two. This one is tinted, so it is a little bit darker. But this one just had a bunch of vertical lines, and then the new ones look like this. So that's pretty cool. I didn't even realize these were different, but let's get this new one thrown on. I'm gonna not close it all the way so I can open it since the battery is disconnected. Whew, I think it looks insane. Also, if you see this, this is some adhesive that was left behind from the spoiler. I left it there so that way when I put my new adhesive on, I know exactly where to put it. So if you see that, that's what that is. But take a look at those taillights. That completely changed the car. I know in my part 4 video, I had originally said that I wanted to buy these, but they were too expensive. So that was why I ended up just tinting them. So as you can see, these are the original ones that are tinted. All right, well, let me connect the battery real quick and let's see if these actually work. All right, got the lights turned out. We got power to that trunk light back there. So we know we have power. Let's see if we can get these things to work. Oh, I see them. Oh, I love that. Let's see, the turn signals work. Yep, awesome. All right, so here you guys can see a little side by side. So look at that, it looks super old. Didn't really go with the blue and silver look of the car. That just looks so sleek. So here you go. Here you can kind of see another difference side by side. All right, you guys, so I've got this driver's side pretty much totally finished. I'm trying to think of what I want to do with the mirrors. Just let me show you. So the mirrors I had originally just fully wrapped satin black the last time I wrapped it. So you can see there's a little bit of silver with some chrome in there. I don't know if I want to wrap the mirrors blue. I was thinking that what might be kind of cool is to actually leave them silver. So I've seen on a few Audis where they will accent the mirrors and a few other trim pieces in silver. And I really loved how that looked. So what I'm gonna try to do is fit this mirror up and see how it looks just leaving it silver, because the color of the mirrors and the wheels, it's almost an exact color match. They're super close. I think this would be kind of cool to at least just see. It would save me quite a bit of time if I didn't have to wrap these. So that would be nice as well. And it would just be unique. That's what I love about vinyl wrap, is you can just wrap and not wrap certain pieces. You know, so it really stands out from your everyday SC430. All right, let's take a look. Okay, I'm honestly kind of digging it. I think it looks cool. So like I was saying, the silver wheels almost is an identical color match to that silver paint that I had before. So it looks like it was intentionally kind of color matched with the rims. And I think with the blue, it looks super cool having a little bit of accent. I honestly think it's just a nice little touch. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think I should do with these mirrors. Should I leave them silver like this, use it as an accent with the wheels, or should I wrap them gloss black just so everything is seamless? All right, you guys, so now I am figuring out what to do with the spoiler. So I got the tape down already. So I got a lot of comments from the last time I wrapped this SC430. A bunch of you said to do the spoiler same color as the car. So I figured this would be a cool opportunity to color match it. So now I'm gonna wrap the spoiler. right, you guys, here's a look at the finished product. So I'll just give you guys a quick little walk around in here, and then I will add some more clips out on the road. So coming around front, I did keep some of those chrome accents. This is an LED logo. I haven't wired it up yet, so there's a few things I haven't finished up. Trying to hurry and get this video done. So this will be illuminated. And then once again, up here in the front, I did wrap those side markers. And then coming around on the side, I've got this mirror that I partially wrapped. My wife said it might look better if I just wrapped this triangle piece and then left the basically mirror cap itself. So let me know what you guys think. I definitely agree. I think it looks better with that little piece wrapped as well. But I did leave the mirrors silver for the time being. Door handles are two-tone, so they have the blue face and the chrome on the sides. And then coming around the back, the side markers are wrapped as well. And we got the new taillights installed with the color matched spoiler. I love how this looks, but I think the car looks awesome. I think this blue is a super cool blue. It's dark, but then in the sun, it does explode with those little metallic flakes. So we are pretty much finished with this Lexus. I still have a few little things to do, like install the new fender liners, wire up that badge, finish the radio. But besides that, we are pretty much fully done. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I know a lot of you have been here from the very beginning and have been super engaged. So just want to give a few quick shout outs. Shout out Brandon, shout out to you, Jimmy, shout out to Grant and Bryson. Thank you all. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate the support. And so since we are almost done with this one, definitely stay tuned because I am just gonna keep rebuilding all sorts of stuff like this. I am going to eventually buy and fix up another SC430, but let me know down below in the comments what car I should look for next, because now we gotta get looking for the next car. So let me know down below what you guys think. Stay tuned for other updates with this SC430. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate it, and I will catch you all later.